Welcome back to Road King's Vehicles. Today, we're diving into one of the most rugged, capable, and luxurious off-road machines out there, the 2026 Krug Expedition 6x6 Camper Motorhome. If you're dreaming of a motorhome that can cross deserts, climb mountains, and keep you comfortable through it all, this might just be the king of the road and the wild. The Krug Expedition 6x6 is built on a heavy-duty MAN TGS 6x6 chassis, which means you're looking at a truck designed for military-level reliability and off-road dominance. Under the hood, it houses a powerful inline-six turbo diesel engine delivering around 540 horsepower and massive torque, making it more than capable of hauling its substantial frame across extreme terrain. Whether you're navigating snow-covered passes or desert dunes, this thing is built to conquer. But this isn't just a brute. Step inside and you're greeted with a luxury living space that feels more like a high-end condo than an expedition truck. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, lightweight composites, thermal insulation, and modern cabinetry that's as functional as it is stylish. There's a full kitchen with induction cooking, a large fridge freezer, and even a high-efficiency water filtration system for remote travel. One of the standout features is the expandable living module. With the push of a button, the living area can extend outward, creating extra room without compromising insulation or structural integrity. It comfortably sleeps four, with a queen-size bed over the cab and a convertible lounge area. There's a full wet bath with a composting toilet and a rain-style shower that gives you the kind of comfort you don't expect in the middle of nowhere. The vehicle's systems are fully off-grid capable. It comes with a massive lithium battery bank supported by roof-mounted solar panels and an integrated diesel generator. You're looking at days, if not weeks, of self-sustained living. Add to that a 1,000-liter fresh water tank and 800-liter gray water capacity, and you've got true expedition endurance. Performance-wise, the 6x6 drive system with differential locks and high-clearance suspension gives it unparalleled off-road mobility. Paired with 24-inch wheels wrapped in rugged off-road tires, it handles mud, sand, and rock without hesitation. And thanks to Krug's custom air suspension setup, you get a surprisingly smooth ride on even the roughest trails. One of the unique selling points is Krug's dedication to customization. Each 6x6 camper is built to order, allowing you to tailor layouts, tech systems, and storage to your exact needs. Whether you're a digital nomad, a family of overlanders, or an adventure filmmaker, this vehicle becomes your perfect base camp. In terms of tech, the 2026 model includes satellite internet options, integrated touchscreen controls for lighting, climate, and power management, plus 360-degree exterior cameras to aid in navigation and security. It's smart, rugged, and ready for global exploration. To sum it up, the 2026 Krug Expedition 6x6 Camper Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a fortress on wheels, a luxury apartment, and an off-grid powerhouse all in one. If you're serious about exploring the world without limits, this is a top contender that blends hardcore utility with top-tier comfort. Thanks for watching Road King's Vehicles. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments where would you take the Krug 6x6 first.